chair, table, bag. I sit on the chair. I eat on the table. I carry books in my bag. Pen, book, TV. I write with a pen. I read a book. I watch TV at night. Fan, lamp, camera. I use a fan when it is hot. I turn on the lamp. I take photos with my camera. Phone, computer, radio. I call my friend with the phone. I use a computer at school. I listen to music on the radio. Tablet, soap, toothbrush. I play games on my tablet. I wash my hands with soap. I use a toothbrush every morning. Towel, cup, plate. I dry my face with a towel. I drink tea in a cup. I eat rice from a plate. Door, window, bed. I open the door. I look outside the window. I sleep on the bed. Clock, mirror, spoon. I check the time on the clock. I look in the mirror. I eat soup with a spoon. Fork, knife, bowl. I use a fork to eat pasta. I cut bread with a knife. I put rice in a bowl. Fridge, pen, bottle. I keep milk in the fridge. I cook eggs in a pan. I drink water from a bottle. Stove. Salt. Rice. I cook on the stove. I add salt to my food. I eat rice every day. Shower. Toilet. Comb. I take a shower in the morning. I go to the toilet. I comb my hair. Shampoo. Toothpaste. Shirt. I wash my hair with shampoo. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. I wear a blue shirt. Shoes. Hat. Pants. I wear shoes outside. I wear a hat in the sun. I put on my pants. Jacket. Money. Store. I wear a jacket when it is cold. I pay with money. I go to the store. Market. Cart. Walk. I buy food at the market. I push the cart at the shop. I walk to school. Sleep. Eat. Drink. I sleep at 10 o'clock. I eat with my family. I drink water every day. Talk. Tree. Flower. I talk to my friend. I sit under the tree. I see a red flower. Sun. Rain. Wind. I like the sun. I walk in the rain. The wind is strong. Grass. Bird. Sky. I play on the grass. I hear a bird. The sky is blue. Teacher. Student. School. I listen to the teacher. I am a student. I go to school every day. Notebook. Desk. Ward. I write in my notebook. I sit at my desk. The teacher writes on the board. Pencil. Bus. Car. I draw with a pencil. I take the bus to town. My father drives a car. Bike. Road. Bridge. I ride my bike. I walk on the road. I cross the bridge. House. Room. City. I live in a house. I clean my room. I like the big city. Dog. Cat. Cow. I have a dog. The cat is sleeping. The cow is eating grass. Chicken. Fish. Goat. I see a chicken. I feed the fish. The goat runs fast. Happy. Tired. Hungry. I am happy today. I feel tired. I am hungry. Sad. Angry. Hot. She is sad. He is angry. It is hot outside. Cold. Funny. Loud. I feel cold. The movie is funny. The music is loud. Sing. Dance. Quiet. I like to sing songs. I dance with my friends. Be quiet in class. Play. Read. Draw. I play football after school. I read a story at night. I draw a house. Write. Cook. Clean. I write a letter. I cook rice and beans. I clean the kitchen. Wash. I wash my clothes.